Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial we will know how to create complex shelves, bookshelves in SketchUp. So first here we will use BJ toolbar plugin that will help you to create a visual curve, and this plugin are free. So you have to draw a reference curve just following the image, okay, just like that. So you have to just click drag mouse like that, okay. And after that you have to just enclose the surface. So here I am drawing a straight line. Before that you have to edit it, okay. Just create a straight line to close, and here I am just making another lines to match the models. Now you have to take offset, okay, then delete extra face. Now you have to draw a rectangle, okay. So here I am drawing a rectangle for a shelves division, okay. You have to take a rectangle like that, okay. You have to draw a rectangle like that, and then you have to make it in a component, and then you have to use sketchplus plugin, select model and click over smart area option, okay, and drag the mouse over the selected curve line. So just drag the mouse to increase or decrease the number of copies along the curve line, okay. Just click for a final result. Now here I am editing this component to extrude the faces, okay. Now we have to extrude this face also by pressing P push pull tool. To convert in 3D model, I am making in a group and deleting the extra copies. And here you have to push this face also. Now here you can say that the partitions are not connected with this bottom face. So you have to edit it. Just go inside the model and drag the face. Okay, just push the face. You have to do with all others partition. Okay, you have to just push it using push pull tool, okay. This is just a simple like that. So guys, this is the method to create a such complex bookshelves in a SketchUp. Here I'm finally applying the material. So if you really like, please follow and share, subscribe and like guys. Thank you, have fun, see you next tutorial. Thank you.